Reflection is an important part of any learning experience. So of course, we can go through and collect different experiences, but if we don't slow down and think back to reflect on the experience, then we are missing an opportunity to really learn from them. Reflection is a constructive process, so unlike rumination, which tends to have this downward spiral of persistent thoughts focused on failures and negative moods, it's more constructive, focused on intellectual as well as emotional. So on the intellectual level, we can develop theories and narratives around what happened. Perhaps we give a presentation and it didn't go so well. We might start to reflect on why that might have happened or explore our motivations and try to understand what was motivating and perhaps what was not so motivating. It can also help us to put together patterns that we might otherwise miss if we didn't look back and reflect on our experiences. Finally, it can also provide insights into the path forward by asking the question, what would I do differently next time? Reflection can also be emotion-focused. Humans are emotional creatures, after all. In the workplace, we are often encouraged to be professional. So that means harnessing our emotions, but how do we do that? In the first place, we can start by embracing the emotions that accompany these experiences, both before, during, and even after. Coming back to the presentation example, we could ask questions like, how did you feel leading up to the presentation? How did you feel while giving the presentation? How about how did you feel when the presentation was done? So emotions provide important information, and ignoring them is not only unhelpful, but could also lead us to making the preventable mistakes or even the same mistake over and over. With a well-reflected understanding of our experience at both an intellectual and emotional level, we can better identify our strengths, understand our points of improvement, and envision then a path forward.